This sign means A. One-way traffic. B. Intersection ahead. C. Merging traffic from the right. D. Highway curves ahead.
Merging traffic from the right. This sign warns that traffic will merge from the right. Be prepared to adjust your speed or position safely. You may cross double solid lines to A. Pass a slow vehicle. B. Enter or leave a driveway. C. Pass when no traffic is coming. D. Never cross it.
Enter or leave a driveway. Double solid lines. You cannot pass or change lanes. You cannot go across the lines except to turn left to enter or leave the highway. Example, to or from a driveway, or to do a U-turn. This sign means A. No left turn. B. All traffic turn left. C. No U-turn. D. Truck route to the left.
No left turn. This sign means a left turn is prohibited. A traffic signal shows a green arrow with a red light. What does it allow? A. Travel straight through. B. Turn only in the direction of the green arrow. C. Wait for a full green light. D. Stop for all movements. Turn only in the direction of the green arrow. Steady red. Stop. Do not go until the light is green. If a green arrow is shown with the red light, you can go only toward the arrow and only if the intersection is clear. This sign means A. Divided highway ends. B. One-way traffic ahead. C. Two-way traffic ahead. D. Keep to the right. Keep to the right. This sign tells drivers to keep to the right. When passing a bicyclist, you should A. Slow down and use extra caution. B. Pass as closely as possible. C. Honk until they move aside. D. Stay directly behind them.
Slow down and use extra caution. Give bicyclists plenty of space and pass carefully. What does this sign tell you? A. Traffic merges from the left. B. The road becomes one way. C. The right lane ends and drivers should move left. D. A right turn is required.
The right lane ends and drivers should move left. This sign warns that the right lane ends. Merge safely into the left lane when it is clear. What should you do when you approach a flashing yellow traffic signal? A. Stop completely. B. Slow down and continue carefully. C. Speed up through the intersection. D. Yield only to pedestrians.
Slow down and continue carefully. A flashing yellow light means proceed with caution. A stopped school bus has flashing red lights. What is required? A. Pass carefully if no children are visible. B. Stop and remain stopped until the lights stop flashing. C. Pass if you are behind the bus. D. Continue if traffic is light. Stop and remain stopped until the lights stop flashing. When a stopped school bus flashes its red lights, traffic that approaches from either direction, even in front of the school and in school parking lots, must stop before it reaches the bus.
Alcohol can affect which of the following while driving? A. Reaction time. B. Distance judgment. C. Ability to recover from glare. D. All of these. All of these. Alcohol delays your reaction time, reduces your ability to see clearly, changes your judgment of speed and distances, often makes you less inhibited, and makes you more prone to take chances. If your brake pedal suddenly goes to the floor, your first action should be to A. Pull up on the brake pedal with your foot. B. Pump the brake pedal. C. Turn off the engine. D. Steer sharply toward the shoulder. Pump the brake pedal. Brake failure. If your brake pedal suddenly goes to the floor, try pumping it to increase pressure. If that does not help, use your emergency. If you can apply it gradually, but use it gently. If you shift to a lower gear, it will help your vehicle decrease speed. When do you have the right-of-way in a traffic circle? A. When entering the circle. B. When backing out of a driveway. C. When leaving a parking space. D. When already inside the traffic circle. When already inside the traffic circle. A driver who approaches a traffic circle or rotary must yield the right-of-way to drivers already in the circle. If you miss your exit on an expressway, what should you do? A. Back up on the shoulder. B. Make a U-turn. C. Continue to the next exit. D. Stop and wait for traffic to clear. Continue to the next exit. If you enter an expressway going a different direction than you intended or at the wrong exit, stay on the expressway until the next exit. Why are minimum speed signs posted? A. To improve traffic flow. B. To show road conditions. C. To protect pedestrians. D. To test traffic patterns. To improve traffic flow. To keep a smooth traffic flow, some highways also have minimum speed limits. If you drive slower than the minimum speed, you can interfere with the traffic flow and create a dangerous condition. On a long drive, the best way to avoid becoming drowsy is to A. Turn up the radio. B. Drive more slowly. C. Take regular rest breaks. D. Open the windows. Take regular rest breaks. On long trips, plan frequent rest stops. On a bright day, sunglasses can reduce glare and eye fatigue. What is the best way to deal with an aggressive driver? A. Stay polite and avoid conflict. B. Block the driver from passing. C. Honk repeatedly. D. Return the aggressive behavior. Stay polite and avoid conflict. Do not challenge an aggressive driver with increased speed or try to hold your position in your travel lane. Report aggressive drivers to law enforcement authorities and give a vehicle description, location, vehicle plate number, and direction of travel. When road conditions become slippery, you should A. Increase your following distance. B. Drive at the posted speed limit. C. Brake suddenly when needed. D. Follow other vehicles more closely.
Increase your following distance. A bit of rain, snow, or ice makes roads slippery. Wet leaves can be slippery and hazardous. Extra following distance gives you more time to react on slippery roads. When approaching a curve, the safest action is to A. Brake hard in the curve. B. Slow down before entering the curve. C. Speed up through the curve. D. Drive in the center of the road. Slow down before entering the curve. Reduce speed before entering the curve. If an oncoming vehicle crosses into your lane, you should A. Steer toward it. B. Move to the right and slow down. C. Speed up to pass it. D. Stop in your lane. Move to the right and slow down. Move right and reduce speed to avoid a collision. Seatbelts should be worn because they A. Prevent all injuries. B. Help you see better. C. Make the vehicle stop faster. D. Prevent serious injuries in traffic crashes. Prevent serious injuries in traffic crashes. Seatbelts greatly reduce the risk of serious injury in a crash.